Let's take a look at how to make a formal business presentation. In comparison to an informal briefing or informal presentation, a formal presentation is much longer, far less conversational, and perhaps intended for a wider audience. The more you learn about your audience, the better prepared you will be to give your listeners what they need. Presentations should consist of a few important components. Let's take a look at each. The introduction. The most important part of a presentation is the introduction. You can capture your audience's attention by answering these questions. Who are you? What are your qualifications? What specific topic are you speaking about? And how is the topic relevant to the audience? In the body, make it persuasive to your audience by doing the following: explaining the process, describing a condition, solving a problem, or arguing a case. Plan your conclusion as carefully you do your introduction. An effective conclusion should leave the audience feeling that you and they have come full circle and accomplished what you've promised. Presentation skills are fundamental at getting things done on the job.